be all done.
You can't have your hand over the camera either.
Dude, you started it.
Oh yeah. Oh hey. Hey, awesome students. This is Benjamin, and we're working on the song "Practicing Guitar." Now, for this song, we only use one chord, and it's this E minor chord right here. You got a picture of that? Oh, good. Okay. So we're gonna play that chord. Your one finger on the A string, second fret, two finger on the D string, second fret, and strumming down like this. 3, 4, 1, 2. I can't clean my room, I'm practicing guitar. Can't wash the dishes, can't wash the car. I'm practicing guitar, I'm practicing guitar. So I went to college and practiced my guitar. I'm gonna work hard, I'm gonna go far. From practicing guitar, from practicing guitar. Now I have a maid that does the dishes from practicing guitar. A new butler who washes up my nice car. From practicing guitar, from practicing guitar, from practicing guitar, from practicing guitar. Keep up the great work. And then hit the quick cut.